Have you ever thought about how your everyday wooden items like furniture, paper, and even your house can be a potential gold mine? Let's take a moment to reflect on the importance of wood in our daily lives. From the moment we wake up to the moment we retire for the night, wood plays a significant role. It's in the bed we rise from, the table where we sip our morning coffee, the paper on which we jot down our thoughts, and the four walls that make our home. It's a resource that's always in demand, and this demand is only set to increase in the coming years. Now imagine if you could tap into this demand, not just as a consumer, but as an investor. Yes, you heard it right, wood as an investment. It's not as far-fetched as it may sound. In fact, wood investment is emerging as a lucrative opportunity for those who are keen to diversify their portfolio and explore alternative investment options. So, what makes wood such an attractive investment? Well, for starters, it's a renewable resource, meaning it can be replenished over time. This gives it a significant edge over non-renewable resources like fossil fuels or minerals. Then there's the fact that wood is a key component in a wide range of industries, from construction and furniture to paper and packaging. This widespread usage ensures a steady demand, which in turn promises potential for high returns on investment. But it's not just about the financial gains. Investing in wood also means supporting a more sustainable future. You see, responsible wood production promotes healthier forests, which play a crucial role in mitigating climate change by absorbing carbon dioxide. As an investor, you're not just putting your money to work, you're contributing to the health of our planet. So, is it time for you to consider wood as an investment? Well, that's a question only you can answer, but one thing's for sure, investing in wood isn't just about money. It's about supporting a sustainable future. So, you're intrigued about wood investment, but how does it work? Well, the process begins with identifying potential timberlands. These are areas rich in trees suitable for harvesting, typically softwoods like pine or hardwoods like oak. It's not just about finding a forest and calling it a day, though. The quality of the timber, the ease of access to the area, and the potential for growth all play a crucial part in making an investment decision. Once a promising plot of timberland is found, it's time to understand the market. The wood market is influenced by numerous factors, from housing trends to international trade policies. It's a complex web of supply and demand, and it's crucial to keep an eye on these trends. For instance, a surge in construction could mean a higher demand for softwood, while a trend towards sustainable furniture might increase the value of certain hardwoods. Now, unless you're planning on becoming a lumberjack, you'll likely need a forestry company. These are the pros who manage the timberlands. They're responsible for everything from planting and nurturing the trees to harvesting them when they're mature. Forestry companies play a pivotal role in wood investment, maintaining the health of the timberlands while ensuring sustainable practices are followed. And finally, there's the sell-off of mature timber. This is where patience truly pays off. Trees, unlike other investments, take time to grow. A pine tree might take 20 to 30 years to reach its full potential, while an oak tree can take upwards of 50 years. But don't let these numbers scare you. Remember, good things come to those who wait, and in the case of wood investment, the wait can result in a substantial return on investment. Investing in wood is a journey, one that requires patience, understanding, and a keen eye for opportunity. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a long-term commitment to the environment and to your financial future. And who knows, with the right plot of land, the right market conditions, and the right forestry company, you might just find that investing in wood is the smartest decision you've ever made. Investing in wood is a journey, one that requires patience, understanding, and a keen eye for opportunity. You might be wondering, what's in it for me? A natural question indeed. When it comes to wood investment, there's a lot more in it for you than one might initially think. Firstly, let's talk about returns. Wood investments, particularly in timber, have historically delivered high returns. Over the last 5 decades, timber has outperformed traditional stock markets, providing an average annual return of around 5%. This makes it a lucrative option for investors looking for a steady stream of income, but it's not just about the money. Wood investment is also a fantastic way to diversify your portfolio. With its low correlation to traditional asset classes such as stocks and bonds, timber provides a hedge against inflation and market volatility, making it a solid choice for risk-averse investors. Now let's shift our focus to a benefit that's close to many of our hearts: environmental sustainability. When you invest in wood, you're not just making a financial decision, you're also making an environmentally responsible one. Forests act as carbon sinks, absorbing CO2 emissions that contribute to global warming. By investing in sustainable forestry practices, you're helping to combat climate change, preserving biodiversity, and promoting healthier ecosystems. There's also a potential for tax benefits. In many regions, timberland ownership and income from timber sales can qualify for favorable tax treatments, reducing your overall tax burden. Of course, tax laws vary from place to place, so it's always a good idea to consult with a tax professional before making any decisions. Finally, the satisfaction derived from wood investment is not just monetary. It's the satisfaction of knowing that your money is not only growing, but also contributing to the health of our planet. It's knowing that your investment decisions are helping to create a greener, more sustainable world for future generations. Wood investment provides not just financial gain, but also the satisfaction of contributing to a greener world. Like any investment, wood investment comes with its own set of risks. Let's start with market fluctuations. Just as the value of stocks and bonds can ebb and flow with the tide of the market, the price of wood is not immune to these changes. Factors such as supply and demand, economic health, and international trade policies can all influence the market price of wood. However, these fluctuations can be navigated through diligent research and staying abreast of market trends. Knowledge is power, after all. Next, we have natural disasters. Forest fires, pests, diseases, and severe weather conditions can all pose a threat to timber investments. These unpredictable events can wipe out forests and, by extension, the value of your investment. But don't let this deter you. There are ways to mitigate these risks. Diversification is one such strategy. By spreading your investments across different geographic regions and types of wood, you can limit the impact of a single disaster on your overall portfolio. Then, there are regulatory changes. Governments around the world are increasingly recognizing the importance of sustainable forestry and are implementing regulations to protect forests. While this is a positive step for the environment, regulatory changes can impact the profitability of wood investments. To navigate this, it's wise to seek expert advice. Professionals in the field can help you understand potential regulatory changes and how to adapt your investment strategy accordingly. Lastly, let's not forget the risk of ignorance. The wood investment sector is complex and constantly evolving. It requires a solid understanding of various factors, from wood biology to market dynamics. Hence, continuous learning and staying informed is crucial. But remember, every investment comes with a degree of risk. The key is not to avoid risks, but to understand and manage them effectively. By doing your homework, diversifying your investments, and seeking expert advice, you can navigate these risks and make the most of your wood investment. Being aware of the risks and how to navigate them can turn wood investment into a profitable venture. Let's recap what we've learned today. We've journeyed through the forest of wood investment, a path less traveled but filled with ample opportunities. First, we discovered the importance of wood as an investment. It's not just another commodity, it's a renewable resource that plays a key role in our global economy. From construction and paper production to renewable energy, wood is a versatile resource with endless applications. The demand is high and growing, making it a potentially lucrative investment. Next, we delved into the process of investing in wood. Unlike traditional investments, it's not as simple as buying low and selling high. It involves understanding forest management, timber markets, and even environmental regulations. It's an active investment that requires careful planning and patience, but the rewards can be substantial. Then we explored the benefits of wood investment. Sure, there's the potential for hefty returns, but there's so much more. Wood investment also offers a hedge against inflation and a way to diversify your portfolio. Plus, it's an investment you can literally watch grow over time. But every investment has its risks, and wood is no exception. The threats of pests, fires, and market volatility are real. However, we also learned that these risks can be mitigated. Through proper forest management, insurance, and a long-term approach, investors can reduce these risks and safeguard their investment. So, what's the big picture? Wood investment is not just a financial endeavor, it's an investment in our planet's future. With every tree planted, you're not just growing your wealth, you're also helping to combat climate change, preserve biodiversity, and promote sustainable practices. Remember, investing in wood is not just about financial gain, it's about building a sustainable future. So, are you ready to plant your first investment tree?